HiKidStudio.
Hi kids!
Today we are going to talk about near and far.
Did you ever notice how realistic some landscape paintings look?
Notice that objects that are closer to you seems larger, and when objects that are further away from you, they look much smaller.
The closer objects usually overlap objects in a distance too.
When things are near, they're gonna look bigger.
And when things are far, they're gonna look smaller.
So this is near and far.
Near is close to me, and far away is across the room, further away at the back.
Let's look at this picture. I have two balls, same color, and they are in the same size. When I put one of them at the back, we can see that the one near us is bigger, and the one that is far away from us is smaller.
When we do art, if we draw in a line or draw objects that are similar size, it will look like a 2D drawing. There's no depth, no overlapping, everything in the same level.
But when we use near and far technique while we do art, we can see things that are near look bigger, and things that are far look smaller. And if you overlap the objects, your artwork will look more realistic.
Today's art activity,
we are going to draw near and far. Get a piece of paper ready and fold it in half. On one side of the paper, create your drawing. I am going to draw a cityscape with buildings at the back and cars in the front. Color in your picture. When we look closer to one part of your creation, near, things gonna look big, right? Get a rectangle card like this. And when you put it on your artwork, this will be your focal point. Draw in the things that is inside the card on the other side of your paper, which is going to be your near picture. You can divide your picture in 4 parts like this, and then draw in your objects. Color in your near picture. Remember to use the same colors as your far picture. So you can tell, when we see in a distance, it is far. We can see more things. And when we see things closer, it's near. We cannot see as much as in the far picture because the focal point is smaller. So do you understand what is near and far?
Show us your artwork
and tag HiKidStudio on Instagram with hashtag HiKidStudio.
In the next video of Learn Art with HiKidStudio,
we are going to do gradation painting.
Stay tuned!